In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on allow in the pop-up. Now you need to hit allow in the second one and finally hit alarm at the bottom left corner. Then to create a new one, use this plus on the right, must click, and adjust all of those options however you want to. First of all, set up an hour on the left. Then hit repeat and tap on days of the week you wish to set up. To save them, hit OK. Now choose sound. Tap on music on device to set up any song from your tablet by clicking on it and going back. Or pick one of those. Then hit label to name it however you want to, if you want to, and OK to save its name. Tap on ring duration here to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't respond. Select snooze duration and adjust how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then choose OK. Now to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make some changes, and tap on the same check mark. To get rid of it, click on it again and this time use the delete button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!